Hey Chef Kids, today's recipe is our antibiotic toast, the perfect meal for sick days. When those icky germs strike, you're likely to reach for the medicine cabinet. But what if you could have yummy food that fights the germies too? Enter the antibiotic avocado toast. It's a superhero snack that can give you the power to feel better and your taste buds a high five. It's so easy to make that you can even whip it up for your sick friends. Avocados are very yummy. They make your tummy full, they taste good, and are good for you. Avocados are like people. There are some big, some are small, some are short, some are tall. Now, here are the ingredients for this recipe. We have 1 avocado, bread, which you will toast. I'm using the sprouted spelt, some cayenne pepper, just a dash of that, and a little bit of Celtic salt, also fresh or minced garlic. For this recipe, I'm using store-bought minced because it's just easier for me. Also sliced onion and green pepper. Green pepper is optional. Also, you can add tomato. I'm adding olives for my recipe, or you can do a little bit of basil or cilantro. I like to eat it open face, but you can also put it on a second slice of bread and eat it like a sandwich. It's all up to you. Make sure your parent or guardian is with you while working on this recipe, Chef Kids. We're going to be using sharp knives and we want to make sure little fingers don't get hurt. All right, let's start. I like avocados because they are good and healthy fats to make you big and strong. Doctors say they are superfoods because of the nutrients inside. So of course, first we're going to cut our avocado in half. Then we want to remove that pit from the avocado and use a big spoon or a fork to scoop out the avocado flesh. Now we're going to put that avocado in a bowl and mash it with our spoon until smooth. We also want to add our fresh or minced garlic at the same time so we can mash them all together. If you don't like to do it this way, you can also just thinly slice your avocados and place them directly on your toast. Of course, you want to toast your bread or have already toasted the bread. I do mine. Sometimes I toast it first, sometimes I do it in the middle. It just depends if I want warm, toasty bread. But then you're going to spread the avocado on top of your toast and then just add all of those other toppings that we mentioned above. They don't have to be in a special order, but you can put them so you're making a funny face or doing some fun food art to make it even more enjoyable. Make sure that you're washing your hands beforehand and after. It can get pretty messy with that avocado. Okay, while I work on my food art here, I'm going to tell you more about the benefits of this antibiotic avocado toast. And I already mentioned why avocados are so good for you, but garlic is also great for our bodies. It's known to be an antibiotic and to fight and destroy bacteria. Onion helps our body reduce inflammation, inhibit growth of bacteria, and support our immune system. The Celtic salt contains minerals like magnesium, calcium, and potassium, and that helps to boost our immunity and aid with digestion. Cayenne pepper also boosts the immune system, and it's high in many vitamins. Tossing in some tomatoes, some olives, some green peppers is like adding a superhero squad to your meal. These powerhouses are jam-packed with vitamins and minerals that are like rocket fuel for your immune system. So chomp away. They're going to get kicking on killing those germs. And I hope you feel better, Chef Kids. Thanks for watching, Chef Kids. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification button for the next video. Also, you should join the Steam in the Kitchen Club to get fun prizes in the mail each month. Ask your parent or guardian if you can join the club. See you guys next month.